Hello and welcome to Lesson 8 in the series Learn to Play Bridge. It's time to take a look at Opener's Rebid. This is the second bid you make after you've opened and seen partner's response. It's a critical bid in the auction as it tells partner about both the strength and the shape of your hand. If you have a balanced hand, your rebid as opener will normally be a no trump bid at the right level. With balanced hands that are too strong to open one no trump, 12 to 14 points, then we're going to open one of a suit, one of our longest suit, and then make a rebid in no trump. With 15 to 16 points, we rebid no trump at the lowest level. If we look at a little auction over here, one heart from us, that would be our longest suit, one spade from partner, our rebid, one no trump to show balance 15 to 16. If we have 17 or 18 points, then we can jump rebid in no trump. So the auction then would go one heart, one spade, for example, and then the jump would come here. We'd bid two no trump, and then partner will know. We have 17 to 18 points. With 19 or more, if partner has responded, then partner is showing at least 6 points. So we can bid three no trump, with 19 and 6, making our magic number 25. One heart, one spade, three no trump. Here we're going to focus on unbalanced hands, working out how strong they actually are. And we're going to look at breaking the barrier. This is sometimes called making a reverse bid. So what do we mean by a strong hand? If we're opening at the one level, we're usually opening between 12 and 19 high card points. To keep things simple, we'll divide that straight down the middle and we'll say that 12 to 15 points is a weak hand and that 16 plus points is a strong hand. And if you open one diamond, that sets your barrier here at 2 diamonds, and with a weak hand, you can only bid up to and including that 2 diamond level. If you have a strong hand that you want to show on rebid, then you will break the barrier and bid something which is higher than 2 diamonds or above the barrier, and that's what we call a reverse. If this is your hand, I'm going to open that one heart. Let's say partner bids one spade. With 13 points, you need to stay beneath your barrier, which is 2 hearts, because you opened one heart. Well, we can stay beneath 2 hearts and show our second suit, clubs. So that's really good. We can bid 2 clubs, and partner will know that we have 12 to 15 points here. The problem comes with this hand. If partner, instead of bidding one spade, bids 2 diamonds, now we can't show our club suit. We would have to raise this to the 3 level, and that would be a reverse and would imply that we had 16 or more points. So in this case, when partner bids the 2 diamonds, we have to stick to our barrier and simply repeat our hearts, which is fine. 1 heart, 2 heart is showing 5 hearts. In this hand, again, we're going to open a heart. Our barrier is 2 hearts. Partner bids a spade. And this time, we definitely want to break the barrier. We've got a strong hand. We've got 18 points. So we must make a bid higher than 2 hearts. And we can do that and show our second suit by bidding 3 clubs. In this case, with the strong hand, even if partner replies 2 diamonds, that's fine, because we can still show our clubs by bidding 3. Now this bid shows 16 or more points, and that's called a reverse. Well, here's a nice hand. We're sitting south. We're going to make an opening bid. We've got 17 points, 5 diamonds, so an opening bid of 1 diamond. Partner bid 1 spade. Having bid 1 diamond, our barrier is 2 diamonds. We have 17 points, so we want to break that barrier. So we want to make a bid that's higher than 2 diamonds. We can quite happily bid 2 hearts, which is higher than the barrier. And of course, to bid one suit and then to bid another shows more in the first suit. So we are showing very specifically 5 or more diamonds and 4 or more hearts. Partner now knows that we've got a strong hand and can put us straight up to 4 hearts. If you're making a reverse bid at the 2 level, then that is forcing for 1 round. And what that means is that your partner can't pass. Partner has to make another bid. But if you make a reverse at the 3 level, then that is forcing to gain. So that's quite important to not reverse at the 3 level unless you feel comfortable that you and partner have the points between you to go that far. So be careful when you're making your rebid, because if partners only bid at the 1 level, they may only have 6 points, and you need 18 or 19 points in order to force the auction to a game. Our partner in North opens the bidding here, 1 diamond. East passes. We have 9 points, 5 spades and 4 hearts. We're going to bid the longest of these 2 major suits. So that's our spades, 1 spade. And now we have a rebid of 2 hearts from partner. Let's think about what partner is telling us. Partner opened 1 diamond, so their barrier is 2 diamonds. With this rebid, partner has broken the barrier by bidding 2 hearts. So this is telling us that partner has at least 16 points. It also tells us that partner, because they've bid their longest suit first, that partner has at least 5 diamonds and at least 4 hearts. Well, that's great news for us. We have 4 hearts. So there's our 8-card fit. We have 9 points. We can add that now, knowing that partner has 16. That gives us 25 points. So here we can bid straight to a game 4 hearts. This time we're the opener in the south seat, 16 high card points. Of course, we're just going to open our longest suit, 1 heart, 1 spade from partner, and now it comes to a rebid. Well, we have 16 points and we've talked about breaking the barrier. This one's a little bit different because we're not bidding 2 suits. We have a 6-card major suit here, which is wonderful. And when we have a 6-card suit and 16 points, we're still looking at that strong hands being 16 points or more. What we're going to do here is simply jump bid the suit. So instead of bidding 2 hearts, which would show 12 to 15, and a 5-card suit, we're going to bid 3, and that shows 16 or more points, and a 6-card suit. And it means that partner now only needs 2 hearts in order to support us. We can see that the first time round, partner bid spades, so definitely didn't have 4 hearts. We could pass here. And let's just have a look at the dummy. So West has led the King of Clubs. We're looking at this marvellous heart suit. The bidding was 1 heart from South, 1 spade from North, 3 hearts from us in South. And now North knows that we have got the points and knows that we have 6 hearts. So we've got the 8-card fit, and partner was able to go straight to 4 hearts. We've another strong hand here. East is to bid, a pass, 16 points, an unbalanced hand. That's a strong hand. We're going to bid our longest suit, 1 heart. We have 1 spade from partner. we have a 5-4 shape. And so we want to show partner our diamonds. We've shown our hearts, we want to show diamonds, and we can show 5 hearts and 4 diamonds by bidding the diamonds now on our rebid. But how many diamonds? And that's a question we must ask here, particularly because partner has only bid 1 spade and may, in that case, just have 6 points. So if we break the barrier here by bidding 3 diamonds, it's a 3-level reverse, it would be game forcing, and it would mean that partner must make a bid, even if they have a very weak hand for this 1 spade bid. So this is where we have to say, with 16 or more points, break the barrier if you can. If partner had made a 2-level bid, for example, or if we could bid at the 2 level and break the barrier, that would be fine. However, with this 1 spade showing possibly only 6 points, we need to keep the bidding low and not push partner into a game. If partner does indeed have a stronger hand, then it will be up to partner to show us that strength. Here, although it looks as though we should break the barrier, we are going to stay under our barrier of 2 hearts. We could bid 2 hearts, but we would prefer to show that we also have a diamond suit. So we go to bid 2 diamonds and then wait and see what North's response is. And North has passed, so we can expect North to have a fairly minimum hand for this 1 spade bid. Let's play this one through. Have a lead coming from West. All right, let's have a look at our hand. We have 8 diamonds, so there are 5 diamonds to draw. We've got a singleton heart here. We may be able to trump that in South's hand, but let's see where we go with this. We're going to take this with the king, start to draw some trumps and see how the land lies. We've decided there are 5 out there, 2 have gone, so now there are 3 trumps out there. But as we have 3 trumps in each hand, maybe it's worth us creating a void here. As the King of Hearts has gone, and we'll trump that one. You have 3 more trumps to draw, remember? You can do that now. There are 2. Going to lead another heart. Let's see if we can get the ace out. We can trump that one there. And now to draw the final trump from our opponents, we can come down with a club, play our queen. That's the final trump has been played by West. I could play our Queen of Hearts. And the 8 of Hearts. We've made our tricks. We've made an extra trick. And the last trick. We take with our final trump. We've made 2 over tricks, scoring 130 points. If we had broken the barrier and forced partner to make another bid, we would have gone too high in the bidding. Before we leave the topic of breaking the barrier and reverse, I'd like to highlight a few exceptions to their use. Firstly, when you're supporting partner's suit, in this example where we're supporting partner's suit, this can look like a reverse because partner opened 1 heart and is now making a bid higher than 2 hearts. But of course, when you're supporting your partner, you are simply doing that at the right level. So this is not a reverse, it's a natural 2 spades bid showing support for partner and a minimum strength hand. The next exception is when opponents interfere, and of course all the example hands we looked at were in non-competitive auctions. Once your opponents are bidding, then everything changes. Having a look at this auction, North has opened 1 diamond, 2 clubs from East, 2 hearts from North's partner, South. And then when it comes to North making a rebid, and North must make a rebid here because our partner has changed suit, it's impossible here for North to stay under the barrier because partner has already bid 2 hearts. Again, this looks as though it's a reverse, but it isn't. Partner is bidding a new suit at the lowest possible level. And this is when partner makes a jump shift, and a jump shift is when if you open 1 club, for example, and partner raises both the suit and the level. The partner could bid 1 diamond. If partner bids 2 diamonds, we call that a jump shift. This is quite a rare bid because we're usually looking for a slam when we do a jump shift. But in that case, again, of course, partner is unable to stay under the barrier if they have a low hand and to change suit here. So this 2 heart bid is also not a reverse. In these situations, how can you show a strong hand and how can you break the barrier? Well, the barrier is simply raised by 1 level. In this example where opponents interfere, if partner bids 3 spades here, then that would be certainly breaking the barrier. So that's our first look at opener's rebid, your second bid after partner's response. It can take a while to get used to this idea, to be showing a strong hand yourself, and to be recognizing when partner has a strong hand. But they are very, very important bids and worth getting to grips with when you feel ready. Goodbye for now.